Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy in Robinhood. First, download the Robinhood app from your app store and complete the quick account setup process. You will need to provide some personal information for verification. Next, link your bank account securely to fund your new investment account. This step is crucial for depositing money and withdrawing funds later. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the app's user-friendly interface, which makes finding investment opportunities straightforward. Once your account is funded, you can begin exploring investment options. Use the search bar at the top of the app to find specific stocks or exchange-traded funds, known as ETFs. Each company profile provides valuable information, including interactive charts, recent news, and analyst ratings. Pay attention to key metrics such as market capitalization and the price-to-earnings ratio to help inform your decisions. Robinhood also offers research tools to assist your due diligence. When you are ready to make a purchase, select the stock you wish to buy and tap the trade button. You will then have the option to choose between a market order, which executes immediately at the current price, or a limit order, which buys at a specific price or better. Decide how many shares you want to purchase, or simply enter a dollar amount if you prefer fractional shares. Review your order details carefully before confirming your trade. After making your first investment, it is important to regularly monitor your portfolio's performance. Robinhood provides tools to track your gains and losses, helping you stay informed about your investments. You can also set up custom notifications for significant price changes or breaking news related to your holdings. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Continuously learning and adjusting your strategy based on market conditions and your financial goals is key to long-term success in investing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.